In this video, I will show you how to fill the friend bar in Monopoly Go 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Monopoly Go. Now the friend bar is if you actually come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the friends icon. And from here, you want to come down and press onto the green invite button. Now at this point, you're going to see the friends bar, and you can actually fill this friends bar by inviting friends to Monopoly Go. So there's actually different prizes depending on how many friends you invite. So for example, when you invite one friend and they join Monopoly Go and start playing, as you can see, when you've invited one friend, you're going to receive 20 dice. When you invite 3 friends, you're going to get 60 dice. For 6 friends, you're going to get 100 dice. And when you invite 10 friends, you're going to get 150 dice and the Mr. Monopoly token. Now to invite friends and fill the friend bar, all you need to do is simply press the orange invite button from here. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this. If you look at the top, we've now got our invite link. So what we can do is press the copy button just here, and we can share this link through things like Messenger or WhatsApp or email to our friends that are not currently playing Monopoly Go. Now, as mentioned, each time that friend joins Monopoly Go, once they start playing, your friends bar is going to fill up. And of course, the more friends you invite, the more rewards you're going to receive. So that is basically how to fill your friend bar in Monopoly Go. You just want to go ahead and invite friends using the invite button here, showing your invite link, and when your friends join, of course, that's going to fill up your friend bar. So that is how to fill friend bar in Monopoly Go 2024. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.